Buckle up tech enthusiasts for a riveting journey into the cryptic realm of Paramount Plus error code 6040. Just when you thought streaming bliss was at your fingertips, this enigmatic code sneaks up like a mischievous gremlin, disrupting your binge-watching endeavors. But fear not, fellow adventurers, for we are diving headfirst into this tech conundrum. Imagine this, you are settled in for a weekend marathon of your private Paramount Plus shows, only to be rudely interrupted by the infamous 6040 error code. Panic not, here's the lowdown to tackling this digital puzzle. So, what's the secret recipe to tame this techno beast? First off, a classic reboot often does the trick. Yes, the timeless turn it off and on again maneuver. Sometimes, these digital goblins just need a little nudge in the right direction. Next up, channel your inner techno sorcerer and perform a mystical update ritual. Ensuring your app is up to date might just banish this error code to the dark depths from whence it came. Feeling adventurous? Dive into the settings realm and wield your digital sword to clear cache and data. It's like a virtual spring cleaning for your streaming sanctum. But wait, there's more. Unleash the power of the uninstall and reinstall incantation. Remove the app and conjure it back onto your device. Voila! Sometimes, a fresh restart is all it takes to outsmart this mischievous code. In the realm of Paramount Plus 6040, sometimes the most mundane solutions wield the greatest power. So, arm yourself with patience and a touch of tech savviness, and you'll conquer this digital nemesis in no time, restoring your streaming empire to its forum glory. Remember, fellow tech aficionados, every tech glitch is just another chance for an epic adventure in the labyrinth of digital wonderland. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.